In this video, I will show you how to import an image in Canva on your phone. To do this, go and open up the Canva presentation or design that you want to add an image to. And then in the bottom, you want to go to Uploads and then click on Upload Files. From there, choose whether you want to upload from Device, Dropbox, Google Photos, or Google Drive. I'll use Device, and then go to your photo library, take a photo or video, or choose from your files. I'll go with photo library. Then from there, select the image or images that you want to upload and click on add. And then it will show up here in your uploads. And if you then click on the image, you can then go and upload it. And now as you can see, I have the image in my design right here. So that's how to import an image in Canva on your phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.